Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 2, Frankie Essentials, week number 3. We reviewed some elements from last week, but this is what was new. Around the world. Around the world looks like step, step, triple step, we turn around and triple step. So we're doing the first half of the swing out and then we're starting this turn. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We also took a look at the alignment that we would use for the swing out and the circle. So rather than starting totally square, we're actually a little bit offset. Circle and triple step, 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 triple, and there we go. That allows us to travel more directly. Let's take a look at this whole sequence that we put together. It started with around the world with the points. Step, step, triple step, you turn around and triple step. A 1, a 2, you know what to do. Here's the circle, triple step. Then you have top triple turn. Open, tuck, step, step, triple, a 1, a 2, you know what to do. And there we go. Week number 3. Thank you very much for joining.